Good morning. Welcome to the third and final part of the series. In this tutorial, we'll quickly go over how to finalize and submit your presentation. One thing I think you'll notice if you're looking here at the slide deck is that not all of the slides have presentation times. That means I'm going to have to go back and do some editing. Even after I've exited my slideshow record, I can still go back in and make changes and adjustments to slides as needed. One thing I will note is that you want to make sure when you're looking at your slideshow that the play narrations, use timings, and show media controls are all checked. You also want to make sure that when you come over to play from the start, right over here, that you are able to see and hear all of your slides and that it's following the timing. So if one of these, for example, is not checked, the slides will not advance according to the timestamps that you see below. So that's why we want to make sure all three of these are checked. And then we can go back and look at particular slides that we are concerned about. So in this case, I can go back and highlight a slide that I want to make some changes on. And I hit Record Slideshow. This will take me right to the slide that I have highlighted. And it will allow me to record just like we did before, talking or making adjustments by using the pause and the refresh. Okay, now I can add new text about why my research question matters. Before I only had 4 seconds. So let me just record what I want to say here. Pushing play. You'll see the current slide recording time has started. Now I'm adding new text, talking about why this research question matters to me, and letting people know that there was some research I did, which I'm about to explain in the coming slide. So at the end of my recording, when I feel complete, let's go ahead and hit pause. And just like we did before, you're going to end slideshow. And you're going to say yes to the new timing. And when you come back out, instead of 4 seconds, we now have 26. So as we build our slideshow, I see I've got some others that I need to work on. If I would have stayed in that record mode, I could have done the next slide as well and the following slide. So you can fluidly go back in and out. The only time that you're making a final version is when you go to save this and submit. And saving it will be a 2-step process. First, you're going to go into File, and then you're going to go to Save As. We're going to save this as a presentation. Save As. Let's see. Right down here, we don't want to do a presentation. We want to actually do a show. We want to save it as a PowerPoint show. Let me just get there. There it is, PPSX. So you're going to select this version. When you record a show, it will record exactly what you have in the settings that you've saved it as. Okay, so that's how you're going to save your file as a PPSX, a PowerPoint show, and that's what you should submit. Make sure to view your show before you submit to make sure everything that you want is on it, and that's the file you'll submit after you're done with all steps in your process. Thank you. Have a great day.